Egg is a powerhouse of nutrition. And we eat egg. Either we eat it boiled or fried or in some bakery items like for example cakes, biscuits, anything. It also has eggs in it. Since we are eating egg every day, it is very important to know what is the best way of cooking the egg so that you can retain all the benefits of the egg. And what are the harmful ways that when you cook egg in, you lose all the properties of the egg. And what should be eaten out of the egg? The egg white or the yolks? That is the important question, and we will know the answers to all of these questions in this video. So watch the video till the end.
Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and today I will show you step by step how to cook your eggs so that you can get maximum benefits out of your eggs. So here we have 2 cups of chopped vegetables. I have chopped up some spinach, some green onions and some black and green olives. Black and green olives are very good for heart health, and spinach is very good if you want vitamin A and your skin to look and feel better and healthy. And along with that I am using some cheddar cheese, and this specific cheddar cheese, farmer's cheddar cheese, is free from any vegetable oils, preservatives or any chemicals. So make sure that whatever cheese you are using, that is free from vegetable oils and any harmful chemicals. So let's start by flavoring our 2 pasture raised eggs. When you go buy eggs, do not get eggs that say organic. That does not mean anything. You want pasture raised eggs. That means that the hens that laid those eggs were roaming around free in the pastures and picking insects and every organic matter. This is what we need. Anyway, to our eggs we will add some salt, some black pepper, some green chilies and some minced garlic, and we will whisk it up and keep it aside. The longer you whisk your eggs, the fluffier your omelette will be, so take time to whisk your eggs. Next, I have put my cast iron pan on the flame, and cast iron is very good for your cookware because it adds some iron into your food. The links to buy this cast iron pan and the cheese will all be found in the description box below. You can go buy them. And believe me when I say that adding iron to your food is very important, because I am a doctor and 90% of people who come to me, men and women, they are deficient in iron. They are suffering from anemia. And many people ask me, can we use ceramic ware or stainless steel ware because it is also non-toxic. We will not use a non-stick like Teflon coated and aluminium cookware, because that adds toxins to your food every time you cook your food in non-stick pans. The thing is, all these ceramic and stainless steel, they are good, they are safe, they don't add toxins, but they don't add iron also. We need the iron, so better go with cast iron pans. To my cast iron pan, I'll add some desi ghee, a good fat, and then I'll add all of my vegetables, the spinach and the spring onions. And the best way to eat your vegetables is not to boil them, but to cook them with some fat, some healthy fat according to your quota. Because when you boil the vegetables, you lose all the water soluble vitamins into the air, and if you eat your vegetables raw, it is very difficult for your digestive system to digest them. So better eat it with some amount of good fat like cheese and desi ghee, or you can juice them. That also facilitates the digestion of the vegetables. Anyway, cover and cook your vegetables till they reduce half in volume. Once they are half in volume, it means they are half cooked. Now add your egg to your vegetables. And eggs, as I told you before, is a very tricky business, because if the eggs are laid by hens which are roaming around freely in the pastures, they lay very healthy eggs which are rich in omega-3. But if you get eggs which are laid by broiler chickens which are closed in enclosures and they are fed with hormones and chemicals, now these eggs are not good for you, and that's why eggs get a bad name. Anyway, add your cheese slice to your egg as well as your olives. Now I am putting olives in the shape of a heart. You can write a message with your olives also, and you can use any other vegetable also. You can use capsicum, you can use tomatoes, you can use whatever vegetables you like. And as you can see, I am scooping out the egg from around the cheese slice to get it all under the cheese slice, because the cheese slice is sort of square and my egg is sort of circle, so I don't want any part of my egg to remain without the cheese slice on top of it, so I am giving it a square shape. And cheese also is a very healthy fat if it is not mixed with vegetable oils, chemicals, and these things are toxins. So make sure whatever food you are eating is actually food, it is not chemicals. And finally, I'll just sprinkle some oregano on the top of my omelette, and I will scoop out out before it gets fully cooked, because we need some half cooked eggs basically. So to get the maximum nutrition out of your egg, do not cook it fully, just leave a bit of it uncooked. You don't need to eat raw eggs, because raw eggs can cause infection, but the eggs should not be fully cooked. Now these eggs, they got fully cooked in the process of making this video for you. So do subscribe to our channel, because it takes a lot of research to make these videos. Anyway, the crux of the matter is, whenever you eat eggs, do not cook them fully, just leave a bit uncooked. Like if you boil them, they should not be fully boiled or hard boiled. The yolk should still be runny. If you make an omelette out of it, you can make something called a half omelette, in which the eggs are still runny. You do not cook them fully so that they get hard. They should still be runny. And if you fry your eggs, do not fry them too much. When you take them out of the heat and pierce the egg yolks, they should flow out like this. Another question that many people ask me is, should we eat the egg yolks or the egg whites? Actually, you should eat everything that is within the egg shell, because most people, they omit out the egg yolks because they think the egg yolks are full of cholesterol. That's why they throw them out. This is very bad, because egg yolks have not only cholesterol, they have lutein, zeaxanthin, all the things which are good for your eye health. If you are not eating your egg yolks, eventually there will come a time, God forbid, that you will be putting eye drops in your eyes because you did not feed it the right food. Or you will be using our eye formula or any other supplements, eye supplements, because you left out on all the lutein and the zeaxanthin and the xanthin that is present in the egg yolks freely. So if you are very sure about your eggs health, that is they are pasture raised, you should be eating your egg yolks. You should not be omitting your egg yolks in any case. Anyway, you can have your omelette, a half cooked omelette with coffee, as I showed you before, or you can take it with a cup of juice. Although juicing is not a very good way of eating your vegetables, because you lose all the fiber, but once in a while you can have your juice. Like over here, I am having my carrot and orange juice. I squeezed the juice out of carrots and I added some orange, and I'm having it with my omelette. So let me know in the comment section below, how do you like to have your omelette? Like, how do you like to have your eggs? Do you like it in the form of omelette, or do you like them boiled or fried, or you bake with your eggs? So take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.